Johto Johnny is the name. Pokemon is the game. Johto Elite, I hope you're all doing great. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're always Jotified for the next video. Finally got one. Thanks, Mom. Johto Ma. She got me this box. I passed up on it a few times. She got it for me. We're going to open it. We have 10 packs. Got a lot of nice features in this box. Let's get this opened. Let's see what we can get. Got a lot of chances. Not going to say what, of course, what we want. But let's see. Yes, there is Steam Siege. If you're not a fan, I apologize. If you are a fan, then you're going to be very excited. Too many of us all the time, we're like, oh no, we got this. Well, we open Pokemon cards. We should be excited no matter what. Yeah, there's some sets that absolutely stink. But let's see here. As this is literally taking up my entire screen here. Wow. Again, as I said in the prior video, I'm starting something new with the channel as far as codes go. I will announce the codes. It may take a little while longer, but that's what I'm doing. I'm sick of bots getting your codes, guys, unless it's easier for them. I don't know, but we're going to try it. See what happens. Get this giant piece of plastic out of the way. Code number 1, Small But Mighty Premium Collection. N as in Nancy, WW, T as in Tom, P, V, N as in Nancy, 77Q, 6Y, G as in George. And that is the absolute beautiful baby's card, which we need. Open up some sleeves and sleeve that right up. Beautiful. Well, at least we got one pull. There's a very nice pin, the coin, and then a keychain. Okay, so I don't mean to put my very hairy arm in the way. Okay, so we got, open Steam Siege first. 2 base Sun and Moon packs. Crimson Invasion. Then we'll go Rebel Clash. Base Sword and Shield, the 2 Darkness Ablaze, and Burning Shadows. I think that sounds good. Alright, get Steam Siege out of the way. The code JX6, M as in Mary, GYJ, DWC96C. Saying it once. If you want to replay the video, do that as much as you please. Gardevoir Spirit Link. Klefki. Very cool artwork. Mareep. Mantine. Meowth. Larvesta. Fletchling. Nosepass. And Ampharos Holographic. Steam Siege. There we go. There's a pull. Base Sun and Moon. Code QTVNZJT WN4Q6D. Energy. Great Ball. Pukumuku, Rotom Dex, Carvana, Zubat, Poplio, Togedemaru, Shelder, Stuffle, Incineroar. Non-holographic. It's the first Sun and Moon base. Here's the next. The code H96 TY9D RD6 6LV as in Victor. Granbull. Pokeball. Spearow. Fomantis. Morlul. Skarmory. Poliwag. Kangaskhan. Oh, yes. That is one of the worst centering cards I've ever seen. But we're going to sleeve it up. Very good. Ooh. But yes, we pulled gold, everybody. Beautiful card. Got the Ultra Ball. Maybe this will be the box of many hits. Here comes the Crimson Invasion. Next code is 9HN as in Nancy, 7NDH, B7B, 7HN. Energy, Alolan Graveler, Staravia, Gladion, Houndour, Pikapi, Skidoo, Starly, Numel, Mankey, Ant. Oh, Gyarados GX. I know my buddy Dard, I believe he needs this card as I rhyme. All right. Yes. The crap packs are coming in strong for us. I don't mean crap packs, you know what I mean. I love Pokemon either way. All right, Rebel Clash. Can we get that Giovanni? Boss's Order. JLR KJ94 LCK C M as in Mary L. Bronzong, Nugget, Skuntank, Stunky, Clefairy. Guys, you want codes, you gotta work for them now. You gotta work for them. Base Sun and Moon pack next. Still need that gold. Gold Zacian, gold Zamazenta would be incredible. Oh. HBH is a habit, guys. RV74 Y2C 9J6. Energy. Ferrothorn. Heatmore. Metal Saucer. Krogunk. Galarian Meow. Scorbunny. Sinistea. Maractus. Ninetales. And Galarian Berserker. Oh, let's hope Darkness Ablaze comes through. Could you imagine 2 Charizards? Woo! Oh, man. Was I totally just jinxed it, but hey. 2 of Johto Johnny's favorite sets. B, G, B, Z, N, C, R. RQP, RD7 is your Darkness Ablaze code. Energy. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Combuskin. Staravia. Ducklet. Mareep. Patis. Gothita. Skarmory. Carnivine. And Hydreigon. If you have not seen it yet, Johto Elite, I finally pulled that Rainbow Rare Charizard from Champion's Path. Oh my goodness. It was amazing. The code is 9B as in boy, the number 2, VL Mary R94P DCB. Got the Rita. Kaboo. Turbo Patch. Clink. Come on. Ducklet. Mareep. Paris. Gothita. Vanillish. Pinchurchin holographic. Hey, it's been, no matter what happens, it's been a pretty good opening. Some people are fans of this, some people aren't. There comes the Burning Shadows pack. Just hope for a white code. C4. Oh, it'd be great if it was a Zard. It's actually cut pretty well. TRLX G2W CDJ. Fire energy for that Charizard. Heatmore. Lana. Tormenting Spray. Alolan Grimer. Noibat. Horsey. Alolan Vulpix. Sneasel. Dusknoir. And Marshadow GX. All right. Thank you, Burning Shadows. All right, the last code is coming. The last pack. Can we get that true last pack magic? L77 DCHP NLX VWY. Energy, Soul Rock, Escape Rope, Gloom, Pikachu, Krogunk, Pansage, Stuffle, Meowth, Pissimian, and Shiinotic. Alright, everybody, I would say this was a pretty good opening, say the least. Got a Marshadow GX, the 2 Hollows, Gyarados GX, Ultra Ball, and the Ampharos holographic. Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Johto Elite, thank you for watching. Hopefully you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're always Johtofied for the next video. Thank you all and have a great day.